Hi everyone! You're about to see the CRICUT Birds of a Feather mystery box. It's an Access member exclusive, and yes, it does contain a CRICUT Cutie in peacock color. It's really gorgeous. In the description right under this video, you can find my purchase link along with discount information. My purchase link does pay me a small commission if you use it, but it's at no extra cost to you, and it does help me to continue doing giveaways in my Facebook group. So thank you if you do use it. And here's the Peacock Cutie. It's so adorable. On my screen, it looks bright blue, but it's actually a very dark teal. It's gorgeous color. I didn't have this one, so I'm so excited. And as mentioned, because it contains a cutie, it's an Access member exclusive mystery box. So let's see what else is included. I'll put this here. We have premium vinyl removable River Bloom sampler, 3 sheets, 12 by 24. Gorgeous colors. Really beautiful. Next we have premium vinyl Citrus Garden sampler, 6 sheets. Each one is 12 by 12. The patterns are there, but they might be difficult to see. There's 3 patterns, and you have 2 sheets of each. Very pretty, very fun. That's a Rob and Bob premium vinyl, and it's removable. Then we have premium vinyl permanent Wild Aster, 1 sheet, 12 by 48. Gorgeous color. Next, we have Martha Stewart Everyday Iron-On in Wild Blueberry, 1 sheet, 12 by 24. And we have Glitter Iron-On Sapphire, 1 sheet, 12 by 19. It's strong bond. Another gorgeous product. Then we have an 18-inch safety ruler. I love these. It has the lip on it to protect your fingers when you're cutting. Really gorgeous. I love this ruler. So handy. Then we have a CRICUT tool set, scraper and spatula. You can never have too many of these. And last but not least, we have a gel pen set in peacock. Terrific colors. So this is the Birds of a Feather mystery box. I hope you're going to enjoy it. And once again, you can find a purchase link and discount information in the description right under this video, and also in my Facebook posts and emails. Thank you for watching.